Hi students, welcome to Social Studies class. Lesson name Northern Mountains. Already in previous class we discussed Northern Mountains. How many directions are there? 4. Yes, east side Bay of Bengal is located, west side of India Arabian Sea located, south side of India Indian Ocean is located, north side mountains, Himalaya mountains located. Northern mountains means Himalaya mountains along with Karakoram mountain ranges, okay? Including of two mountains we say Northern mountains. Already we learnt the meaning of Himalaya. What is the meaning of Himalaya? The abode of snow. It means a place of ice, a place of snow. Next topic, Himalayan ranges divided into three parallel ranges. Okay, already we learnt all about this topic also. The greater Himalayas, the lesser Himalayas, the outer Himalayas. Now let us learn about the greater Himalayas briefly. Okay, the greater Himalayas. The greater by the name, by its name we can expect they should be very greater. It means very highest. First point, longest continuous. Longest means, example, if this is Jammu Kashmir, okay, here Himalaya starting and going here like this. Greater Himalayas, longest continuous. What is the meaning of longest continuous? Longest continuous means there is no break between all this line. Okay, there is no break. It means total continuous. There is no gap. There is no gap. Longest continuous ranges. Which one? The greater Himalayan ranges. Because of longest and continuous, compulsory, it dominates large section of area. It dominates large section of area. For example, you have books. If 2 books, it will take only some place. If 10 books, it will take some more place. 50 books need some more place. If 2000 books, then how much time, how much place it need? How much place they need? Totally a room need, right? So because longest and continuous, it dominates large section of Himalayas. When we go to Himalayan ranges, largest section of area, Himalaya area, covered with greater Himalaya ranges, greater Himalayas. At the same time, already in previous class I told you 3 parallel ranges, 3 parallel ranges. This is north side total. This is inside India. Okay, this is north side. This is inside the India. This is we are talking about this. We are talking the greater Himalayas. The greater Himalayas. Just observe here. This is north side. This is inside India and south side, east side, west side. Where it is located? Northernmost, totally north side. What is the north corner? The Greater Himalayas. So we can say the Greater Himalayas are northernmost ranges. Yes, northernmost means they are located the tip of northern tip they are located. Okay, they are located at northern tip. So the Greater Himalayas are northernmost Himalayas, northernmost ranges. Next, already we talking about the Greater Himalayas. They are very longest continuous ranges. So we should know what is its length. Yes, its length is 2500 kilometers. 2500 kilometers. Here to this side, up to where? Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh Himalayas are stretched. Yes, the Greater Himalayas length is 2500 kilometers, not meters, not centimeters. It is kilometers. So how length it is? Yes, very longest place. Yes, very longest areas. What is its length? 2500 kilometers. Next, its width. Just find out the difference. This is length. Okay, 2500 kilometers. Northern tip to here. This is width. This is width. Okay, length is 2500 kilometers and width is 150 to 400 kilometers. It means somewhere it is 150 meters, somewhere 160 meters, and somewhere 200 meters. It means sometimes in some areas it is 150, 170, 240, 300, somewhere 400 kilometers. Okay, that's why given its wide is 150 to 400 kilometers. In some areas 170 maybe, in some areas maybe 390, in some areas 400. So approximately 150 to 400 kilometers. Its length is 2500 kilometers and its width is 150 to 400 kilometers. Okay. Next, it is natural boundary. It is natural boundary. What is natural? Natural means created naturally. It is created naturally. It means no one created it. No one, it means not man-made thing it is. Example, already we have boundaries at our home, right? At the same time villages, at the same time rivers have boundaries. Yes, boundary means sometimes we built boundaries. China wall, the great China wall, they built, okay, around their country. So boundary means somebody builds it. Naturally boundary means itself it is forming. Where it is forming? Between of China and India. Where? Between of China. What is China? China is a country. Yes. India, our country. These Greater Himalayas are making a natural boundary. Natural boundary. It means it is staying between of India and China, so that other country people cannot enter into the country. Whose country? Our country. Why? Greater Himalayas protecting us. Okay? Like boundary line. Like boundary line. Next, already we are talking, these are greater Himalayas. So when we go to greater Himalayas ranges, greater Himalayan ranges, average height of every peak, okay, average height of every mountain 6,000 meters minimum, 6,000 meters. Average height of every peak, average height of in this region, greater Himalayas region, minimum 6,000 meters. Yes. Next, heavy snowfall in this greater Himalayas region. Heavy snowfall, always snowfall, snow falling. Okay. Glaciers moves down. What is the meaning of glaciers? Already we discussed in previous class. Glaciers, due to glaciers only rivers are flowing, due to glaciers. Example, this is a mountain or peak which is located in the greater Himalayas. From the mountain slopes, glaciers are moving down. Okay, from the mountains, glaciers are moving down. Due to these glaciers, already we discussed, glaciers are moving very slowly. How much slowly? Even we could not find out that they are moving. So when glaciers are moving down from the mountains which are located in greater Himalayas, yes, moving, when they reach plain areas, okay, these are mountain areas, right? When they reach plain areas, they are melting. They are melting and melting into water. Melting into water. Then what will happen, children? Rivers are flowing. Rivers are starting from that area. Okay? Already we discussed Ganga river is starting there. Yamuna rivers. Okay, so that we are having good water. So we can say Himalayan ranges are good source for water. Yes. Next, highest peaks are located in this area. Already we discussed Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. Mount Everest, where is it located? In Nepal. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. What is its height? 8,850 meters approximately. 8,850 meters approximately. In some books it is given 8,848 meters exactly. This is approximately, according to your book, 8,850 meters given. Okay. In some GChem books, 8,848 is given as exact length, exact height. So greatest mountains also, peaks also located in this greater Himalayas region. What is the meaning of region? Area. Okay. Next, in this region covered with perpetual snow. What is perpetual meaning? It is permanent. It is permanent. Every day every week, every month, every year, whenever you go, there is snow. It means perpetual snow, permanent snow. Every day snow will have there. Okay, every day if you go there, there is snow, covered with snow. Vegetation. If all the land is covered with ice, how it is possible, children? When we look at our surroundings, there is no ice. Because of no ice, we are doing farming, vegetation very easily. Very easily. Here always ice is covering. How will be ice? When you open your refrigerator, ice cubes are there. How tight they are? Between of ice, it is impossible to grow a plant. Why? Just they capture them tightly. Yes, like a box. So vegetation is not impossible. Not possible. Vegetation is not possible. Some small vegetations like mosses and lichen, they are just small like a semia, small plants. Okay, due to bacteria, fungus, just top corner, okay, top of the ice, bacteria and fungi, they make some small vegetation. Finally, farming is not possible. Farming is not possible. Why? All the land is covered with full of snow, full of ice. So how it is possible? Farming is not possible. Paddy crop, wheat crop, peas crop, whatever the crop, not possible. Why? To grow a plant, to do farming, soil is very important and water is important, sunlight is important. When land soil is covered under the ice, how can it grow? So farming is not possible. Okay students, all clear? The greater Himalayas are longest and continuous ranges. Length is 2500 kilometers, width is 150 to 400 kilometers approximately. Next, it is northernmost. It is located tip of north side. It is natural boundary. It is making natural boundary between India and China. Average height of every peak 6000 meters. In this region, heavy snowfall. Glaciers are moved down from the mountain. Like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga peaks also located in the greater Himalayas region. Next, perpetual snow. What is perpetual? Permanent snow. Vegetation just like mosses and lichen, only in some parts of greater Himalayas they found. Farming not possible. Just let us look at our map. Which map this is? Indian political map this is. Indian political map. This is Jammu Kashmir area. Himalayas are located along with our northern boundary. This is boundary. All these are Himalayas. All these are Himalayas. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Here Nepal. What is Nepal? Nepal is a country, another country, our neighbor country. Here making natural boundary. This is China. This is China country. This is India. This is China. Between two countries, between of two countries, the greater Himalayas are making natural boundary. Okay. Here Nepal, in this country only Mount Everest located. Clear? Karakoram mountain ranges are located here at Jammu Kashmir. Himalayas totally stretched from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay students, this is all about the greater Himalayan ranges, the greater Himalayas. Okay. Okay children, I hope you understand well. To understand more, just turn your pages to page number 156. There is topic given, the greater Himalayas. Once read it properly, you can understand more things. Okay, you can understand more things. Okay children, thank you.